channel, and I did something really fun today. I changed what's happening here with my hair. So if you've been around, you know that I was like, if you look through videos, I guess I almost have like super dark brown, black hair last winter. Then I started getting lighter, and then I was kind of like in my blonde moment, and now I'm just experiencing what we're gonna call like a mulled wine hair situation. So that's where we're at. Today we are doing an unboxing of the 10-day drink ketones challenge that I told you guys about in one of my last videos. And I did get the box, and it was shipped to my house within, I don't know, like 5 to 7 business days, I guess. And without showing you my address, it looks like that. And when we open it, we see what's inside. One of the things inside is the box. Looks like this right here. It's like super simple. It's all white, which is so different from any of the boxes I've gotten from them before. But I think it's because they're really just almost playing on the simplicity of like, don't overcomplicate. So the 10-day challenge while you're doing this is to drink 2 exogenous ketones a day. So 1 in the morning, and then for me, I'm gonna do my second one between lunch and dinner, and then eat smart. So it's not even necessarily eating strict keto or anything like that. It's just eating smart. So whatever way of eating you're currently doing, as long as it's a smart way of eating, whether for some people they're doing Whole30, you're doing paleo, you're doing keto, you're doing a low carb version, whatever you're doing, eating smart and drinking 2 exogenous ketones a day and seeing what the difference is after the 10 days. Really quick, why am I doing this challenge? I'm doing this challenge for a couple of reasons. One, because lately I've been feeling really tired. I've been getting off of my normal schedule that I made a part of my life for the past 1.5 years, and it's making me exhausted. I feel tired, I'm eating horribly, so I really want to get back on track with that. That's one of the reasons why I'm doing the challenge. I think it's going to challenge me and I also think it's going to just like kind of spark that desire again with me to do that. 2, I'm doing this challenge because I have some other people in my life who are also doing it, and it is always so much easier to do these things when you're doing them with other people. So that's another reason why I'm doing it now. And then another reason to do this challenge is because I know in my head that this makes sense. I know the research and the technology behind it, and I know that it really is good for your body. And I know that I've been away from it for a little while and I need to get back. So not only have I kind of been feeling like trash, but like I also know, even if I don't feel trashy, that I know the difference. I know what I'm doing and what I'm not doing. So I'm taking the challenge because yeah, some weight to lose, maybe some bloating to drop and things like that. But really I just need to like get back into the flow of things, and I've not been doing that. So that's why I'm taking the challenge. So if you're taking the challenge, why don't you share below why you're doing it? Maybe we can kind of like help each other out, support a sister, you know? So here's this box right here, and then also inside this box we have electrolytes, and I will show you those. It came with a bonus. It's the drink ketones challenge. It's a 10-day challenge, and then it comes with these premium electrolytes. Sorry, I'm trying to get them together in my hands for you. So there are a whole bunch of these. There are 10 of them, and they kind of just came also in the box. And when are we opening the box? I'm going to open the box and we're going to see what's inside, because I know that inside are 20 packets of exogenous ketones. And exogenous ketones, if you're new to the channel, are ketone salts that you can mix with water and some other liquids, and you drink them, your body ingests them, and they put you into ketosis within about 30 minutes, depending on the way you're currently eating. Burn fat, they give you a nice natural clean energy. I experience reduced inflammation, reduced bloating. I definitely find I have better sleep when I'm using them regularly, which is interesting. My mind is clear. I'm no longer taking afternoon naps, or what I like to call on Sundays my Sunday naps after leading worship on a Sunday. It has all of the benefits of ketosis from drinking ketones. So that's what that is. So the electrolytes are because when you are eating a low carb keto diet, you want to supplement your electrolytes because your potassium, your sodium, and your magnesium might get low and you want to replenish those things. So the company Prove It has also put out what they call Mitoplex electrolytes. I will show you the packaging right here, just one of them. And they are flavorless, so you can put these in anything you're drinking, water, or mix them with your ketones. There are 10 of these because you're supposed to drink 1 per day in the challenge. Again, 10-day challenge. I'm going to go ahead and open this, and I'm gonna need like a knife or scissors, so I'll be right back. If you want to follow me on this challenge, you can follow me on my Instagram. It's at ShortyCarly, and that Instagram name came around from when I had AIM, and that was my AIM name when I was in high school, so I stuck it on Instagram, and that's why Shorty is spelled with an I, not a Y, because back in the day, that's what you did to be cool, and I was so cool with my AIM name of ShortyCarly. So that's my Instagram name. Follow me. I would love to get connected with you on there, and you guys can follow as I do the 10-day ketone challenge. My goal is to start this. I will start it the day after I post this video. That's what I'm gonna do. That way, no matter when I post the video, you can hop on Instagram and you can follow and you'll be right along with me. The cool part about this is that when it was first available, we kind of went through everything, and then I just checked the site, and as of right now filming, it's available on the site, and I will link that in the description below if you are interested in doing this challenge with me, right after me, for yourself, with your friends. So we are opening. I used the scissors. Now there are 20 packets, and it says it's a variety of flavors. So we are going to check them out. See, it looks like a rainbow of colors in there, and we will start to pull them out and see which ones we have in here. The first one that I see we have 2, are these both charged? 2 of the charged Harvest Sunrise flavors. Now what's interesting is I've never actually had this flavor, but I heard it tastes like an orange cranberry. So you can mix this with water or flavored sparkling water. The next one I've had, these are charged Swiss cacao. These I have 100% had, and you can put it in almond milk, you can put it in your coffee, you can just mix it with water, but the chocolate ones are really, really good. So charged means that there's caffeine in them. Then it comes with, I see 2 charged raspberry lemonades. They taste like raspberry lemonade. They shake up pink. You can do those in water or sparkling water as well. Oh, and then this one I've not had. Okay, it's Poppin' Pear Apple, and I love the little image right up here. I love that. I think that was like, that packaging is just like really super cute. So Poppin' Pear Apple, I'm assuming tastes like a pear apple combo, and this would probably also be good with the sparkling water or just ice water. We still have more in here. Okay, let's see. These are the first caffeine-free, no, these ones were caffeine. The pear apple were caffeine-free. The next caffeine-free I see are lime thyme. So these I've had. If you like Sprite or anything light like that, you would really like this one, and I mixed it up with ice water. Then the next one, oh, this is new packaging. Okay, this is Maui Punch, and I did briefly see, is there more Maui Punch in here? Okay, so there's 2 charged, so 2 caffeine and 2 caffeine-free. Maui Punch. Maui Punch shakes up red, and it's light, but it does taste like your basic kind of fruit punch, Hawaiian punchy kind of flavor. Normally, I don't like those flavors because I feel like they're too sugary, but this one, I don't get that same experience. And I have to say with these, again, this new packaging, I'm like so in love. You see just like the little bits of detail. And the last ones we have in here are a mix of charged and decaf. Oh, I'm loving. They recently upped all the packaging, and I think it's gorgeous. Like this right now, this, I don't know if you can see with the lighting in here. Yeah, you can. Look at how good this looks in this lighting. This is the caffeine-free Swiss cacao, and it has this like shimmery, like bronzy color. packaging. I love that. So we have that too. We also have the caffeine lime. I love them. And then your basic raspberry lemonade, caffeine free, which I think are just great. That is 20 ketones in here. So how many flavors are that? Let's see. We have raspberry, lime, Swiss, Maui. We have the pear, raspberry, Swiss, harvest. So out of 20, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different flavors. I think that is phenomenal. I think that's absolutely phenomenal for that. It has 6 different flavors to last me for 10 days. So what I'm gonna do is I will use a charged, I'll give you an example. I'll use a charged caffeine one in the morning. So I'll wake up in the morning, this is my plan. Wake up in the morning and I will have, I always have a coffee. I'm not cutting out coffee. So I'll have a coffee and I'll also have water. But now what I could do is I could mix this in my coffee, like if I did a cold brew situation, or I could just mix it in my water. I would do this in the morning, and I personally, I'm not gonna have breakfast because I don't usually eat in the morning. I usually wait and kind of do like an intermittent fasting type thing and eat in the afternoon, lunchtime. So this will be what gets me through until lunch. Then I'll eat my lunch, and I'm gonna try to eat smart, right? That's what they said to do. Then after lunch, between lunch and dinner, I will grab, for example, a caffeine-free poppin' pear apple. And because I'll do the caffeine-free later in the day because I won't need it as much. And, but again, you also get, even from the caffeine-free, you get clean energy. So the caffeine ones are just like a little bit of like a boost. You're gonna get energy no matter what, but I'll do the caffeine-free ones then after lunch. And what this will also help me do is it'll help me stay full, and it will make me not snack, and I won't have that afternoon crash. So I'll get from lunch to dinner well, you know, I won't crash, I won't have those dips, I won't start craving carbs to try to get my energy back. I'll be okay. So that's what I'll do. Plus, I forgot about all these electrolytes and when I'm gonna have them. I'll probably put these, I don't know when I'm gonna do these. I guess I'll do them in the morning. I think that's when the schedule on the challenge website said to do them, was to do them in the morning. So that's what I will do. And you know what I also kind of like super love is that this box, I don't know if you can see it, it has these perforated edges around here so that you can keep all of your ketones inside, and then you can just like tear this open and you have almost like a little display box, something easy that you can put in your cabinet or leave on your counter and just pick out which flavors you like. So my question to you is, 1, do we think I'm gonna be able to get through this challenge? I'm gonna remember to do 2 a day and eat smart. And remember to include the electrolytes. This is gonna be something I forget to do, so I need to do that. Catch me on my Instagram and follow up with me and be like, hey, are you doing the 10-day challenge still? What's happening? So send me a DM in my Insta and stay on top of me with that. Hold me accountable. And what flavors are you guys interested in? I really wanna try the poppin' pear apple. I've never had that one before. I'm gonna put these back in my box. I'm gonna get ready to start the day after I post, which hopefully this will be posting tomorrow, depending on how long it takes me to edit. But I'm really, really grateful that you guys watched. If you're interested in doing this challenge with me, alongside me, kind of right after me, since I'm already going to be starting it in the next couple days, you can go ahead and check out that link below. Now, I do know the challenge, which is really cool, with 20 ketones, is actually cheaper. It's less expensive than if you went to the website and bought a box of 20 of all one flavor. So for example, if you were to buy a box of raspberry lemonade ketones, it's more expensive than if you bought the challenge, if you purchased the challenge. So I purchased the challenge because I was like, hey, I want to challenge myself. I think it's fun. I love that there's a variety. I love that the 10 electrolytes came free and it's cheaper. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna link that for you guys. It is an affiliate link, so want to be upfront about that. But yeah, leave me a comment below what flavors you love, if you've tried these before, which ones do you dig, which ones maybe aren't your favorite. And you can subscribe to my channel to kind of get an update. I'll probably do an update video. I'm not sure when. I try to switch up some things for you guys. And also, would you like this video? Because I kind of did this on a very crazy day, and I would love your love to just like, and boop, subscribe, and follow me on Insta, and we'll catch up, you know, and see how life is going.